So I've done this complete side, as you can see. I'm not doing the wraparound with the extra Marley hair at the root, only because I gotta take this down. I mean, only I know what I did as far as anything, but you can see like I put my hair entwined in here. It's like entwined in here, and I'm okay. Like, locks ain't supposed to look perfect, but this is one side. I just want to show you guys. I got two different colors. I got a 2 and a 4. This whole crown is like 2s, and then the back is like 4s. But yeah, can you guys see like what I did? Can you see it? I just wrapped it around my braid. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just take this and just rub it to make love together. I should spray it with Got2b, but I'm not going to do that. But I just wanted to give y'all a little. And my hair is about as long as these locks. Like, I went all the way down here, and my hair is kind of sticking out here. But it is what it is. But this will help me, and then I'll just pull the knot one time to take out, which it'll look all ratty like how locks look, and cut it. That's how I'm gonna take it out. Anyway, hope y'all like my hair. Right, so here's the finished product of my hair. Here's the parts. You know, let me go in the bathroom so I can really show y'all like up close, the root, etc. So here's the roots of it. I don't want them super tight. And I'm gonna just show y'all how I look when I throw it over. So I look when I throw it over. This ain't really my side. You see this mole is the opposite. So I'm gonna show you how I like it.
What is that? What is it?
See? It's pretty cute, huh? So this is the root. And if you want to see how to do this, just click the link in the comments or below. But I look good. Show y'all the hair. This is the hair. It is by Twisted Up. Original boho. I spent $10.99. This is how much I got left. I used 2 packs. So yeah. And to be honest, I don't even think I used 2 full pack. I know for sure I didn't. Because I used a client's old leftover 4. Because I'll be trying to get rid of the hair store. That's where you see that color. You can see it. And then, which had about 2 bundles in it. And it comes in 3. And then I bought my 1 pack, which had 3 little tiny bundles. I'll show you the bundle. You see, it's not a lot. Let me count it. It's like 2, 4, 6. It's 8 locks per bundle, which it comes in a pack of 3. So that's 24 locks per pack. So yeah, I would say I had about 2 in the brown, which was the 4. And then I used 2 in the number 2. So I only used 4 bundles for this part size. You see my parts aren't super small. That's because my hair isn't super thick. And yeah, plus I didn't want it super full to the point where if I put it in a high bun or whatever, it's gonna be heavy. But if you want to see how I style it, just let me know. I'm gonna try to be conscious on styling it and throw out a video for you guys. I typically end up putting it in a ponytail. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, but I like the down look. Your girl looking cute. But anyway, if y'all hear some people in the back, that's my kids. They be loud. Well, anyway, bye. So, I got my hair in these locks. But what I'm noticing is these little boho hairs, it's getting ratty. So I'm gonna show you how I take care of it. So I got this, which you can get off my Amazon. It'll be in the description. And I'm just gonna put this on there. I usually like using like this other brand. Look, and I'm putting a generous amount. A generous amount. And then I'm just gonna put it through to try to. I should have did it right when I installed it, but that's not here nor there. But you see how it's getting. I don't really care if we get ratty, by the way. That's the whole point of boho. I don't know what's up with everybody like wanting perfection, but that's not what boho is. Boho is supposed to look Rastayan. All right. And that's just for this part. I just don't want it to look not uniformed. You see? I want it to look uniformed. Not so flared out. And then you just apply some more. You can do this once a week or let this be the only time, which will probably be what happens with me. Because I tend to just go upon my day. But you see? Let's put them at the ends too. Ends are also curly. So just a generous amount and you see what I'm left with. I gotta do this side. But yes, if y'all hear something in the background, that's my kids. They are always in close proximity to me. And I really don't mind that, so yeah, but yeah, just put it all through your weave. Hope you can see it all. Let me stand back. You see? I don't have my tripod right now. My son's using it for his YouTube channel, which I'm gonna put in here. And my dog, like, oh my kids. But yeah, once you do all that, you should be good to go. And like I said, do it as needed. But yeah, I love my hair. It's a vibe. Peace and hair grease. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. If you want to see more Get Ready with me, just let me know. Bye-bye.